This is group 13 with our data visualization showing the movie industry. So here's our data set, and we pulled this data set from Kaggle, which lists characteristics of the movie industry, including directors, year release, revenue, budget, movie title, and more. And we added another section to the data, which is the title code that we pulled off IMDb's website to be able to add web functions. We chose this data set because we love watching movies and we didn't know a lot about the details. So we wanted to show this in a more visually appealing way in Tableau. So here is our dashboard. This dashboard can be used by other movie watchers who do not know a lot about the movies that they love to watch, or people who want to decide what movie they want to watch based on their favorite genre as well as other features. To present this information, we created two dashboards which link to one another. The first dashboard, which you can see here, focuses on the most popular genres by gross revenue and IMDb rating, while the second dashboard focuses on popular directors for each genre and the movies they have produced. In our first dashboard here, we created three different types of charts: a bump chart, a difference chart using parameters, and then a box and whiskers plot. So first is our bump chart. When you hover over, so the bump chart shows the genre rank by gross revenue throughout the years, and when you hover over a specific bubble in the chart, it shows you what the rank was. So in 2009, adventure was the number 4 highest grossing genre. And then you can also click on each bubble and it will filter the other two graphs. So it filters the difference graph by genre. So now it's showing the difference in total gross revenue for each genre from adventure. And then you can change this graph even further by choosing to look at it by budget. So at the bottom, it shows the difference from the baseline, and then in this case, the baseline is adventure. And then when you hover over each bar, it will give you some more information about it. So here we can see the difference in budget between adventure and action. Then moving over to our box and whiskers plot, we see that it filtered it by year. So now it is only showing movies from 2009. And then if we look at the top adventure movie for 2009, we see that it is Three Idiots with a score of 8.4. And then we can click on it and have an option of visiting the IMDb page for this movie. Heading back to our dashboard, we can clear the filters just by clicking out on the bubble chart, and it goes back to showing all of the movies created. In order to get to our second dashboard, we can hover over the bubble again in the bump chart, and we see that the second line in the description says the top director for adventure is Peter Jackson. So if we click on the bubble, we can click on the hyperlink that says click here to learn more about directors. And then it takes us to our second dashboard. This dashboard shows the top movie directors for each genre. So if we hover over Peter Jackson, we see that he's the top director for the adventure genre. And then it also highlights his movies down below. If we click on him, we can check out his credentials on IMDb, and it will take us right to his page. Back on the dashboard, we have the bubble chart below, which shows all of the movies that each director has created. As the position on the graph of the bubble shows the IMDb percentage rating, as well as the colors show that as well. And if we hover over Peter Jackson's top rated movie, we see that it's Lord of the Rings, Return of the King. And then we also see how much it grossed, which was $375 million, and the size of the bubble also represents that. So if we click on the bubble, we can also visit that movie's IMDb page. Once we're done with the director page, we can head on back to our genre dashboard and learn more about our genres. And that's our dashboard. Thanks for watching.